The autopilot era for video creation is not just coming, it's already here. So we have seen AI avatars before, but the movements and gestures are stiff, the eyes look robotic, and you are stuck in the same shirt in every single video. So HeyGen's Avatar 3.0 claims to have solved all of these problems. So in this video, we are breaking down how to capture your digital twin in seconds, the unlimited looks feature that lets you swap environments instantly, and why all of this actually feels like filmed footage rather than a deepfake, and the massive implications that this has for your brand and for your time. The biggest barrier to video has always been friction of filming. You need right hair, the right light, and a quiet room. You need to set up all of these lightings and this $5,000 camera. But this new avatars feature from HeyGen removes this friction completely. You just record one 15-second clip on your phone and that's it. It captures your unique facial expressions, the way your shoulders move when you talk, and the specific tone and texture of your voice. And trust me, it is really simple to just clone yourself. All you have to do is just go to heygen.com or just click on the link in the description, just sign up, and then you can simply just come to this avatar section. In here you can just click on this create avatar, and here you can just like choose this option, which is clone a real person. Simply just click on that, and then it will ask you to turn on your camera. So you can just like turn on your camera. So let me just quickly show you a demo. So you can just click on this option, which is always allow while visiting the site. Simply just give your browser a permission, and then you can see right now I'm actually already using this camera in here. So that's why it is showing the camera is occupied. But all you have to do, you can simply just click on I'm ready, or even you can just like record it on your phone as well. So you can just like scan this QR code, open your mobile phone, just put it on a stand, and maybe connect a mic as well, and then you can just record directly from your phone. Now if you just click on this I am ready option, simply just click on that and then click on start recording, and then it will ask you to like connect your mic as well. So here is some guideline about your voice and video, so you can just like follow this guideline. This is how you should like act like, and please do not do these gestures that this guy is doing. So then you can simply just click on start recording. It will then just give you a script. Just read that script on your camera, and that's it. I mean, think about that, just 15 seconds of effort for a lifetime of content. You don't need a production team, you don't need like expensive cameras, you just need to be yourself for a quarter of a minute. And the most amazing thing is that you can actually try this out for free to see how your own twin actually looks like. I have put a link in description below, so you can sign up and start experimenting right now, that too absolutely for free. And now here is where it gets really wild. So right now you can see I have created these different looks for my avatar. So this is my original video that I recorded, but based on that it created this look, then these two like very amazing looks, and these two looks as well. So traditionally, if you wanted a video of yourself in a suit in an office and maybe another in a t-shirt in a cafe, so you had to go to those places and then change your outfits and then record yourself in there. But with this avatar feature by HeyGen, all you have to do, you can simply just click on this design with AI. You can simply just click on that, and then here you can just like choose any of these looks. You can maybe choose, maybe you are sitting in here, or maybe you are dressed up in like any of these dresses. You can simply just click on remix look, and then it will just remix this look for you, and it will swap these characters with your character. So let's suppose you want to remix this look. You can simply just click on this remix look, and what it will do, it will generate two different looks from that selected look. So with this avatar feature, your identity basically remains consistent, but your shell is modular. So when I say identity consistency, that means it keeps your face and movements identical, so your audience actually recognizes you. And about the environment swapping, so you can place your twin in a high-end studio or maybe on a mountain top. All you have to do is just explain which sort of environment do you want. Maybe you can upload a photo of environment as well, so it will just add your character in that particular environment. Similarly, when it comes to outfits, you can change from professional to casual in literally just one single click. The uncanny valley is where AI videos go to die. We have seen all those avatars where the mouth moves but the eyes are dead, but HeyGen's Avatar 3.0 focuses on micro expressions. It mimics the way your eyes blink and how your head tilts naturally during a delivery. And by the way, you can observe all of this in your generated avatars. You can see how natural these movements are, how natural the hand movements are, and how natural the facial expressions are. None of these generated videos look like AI generated. They actually look like filmed, and that is actually the difference between a cartoon and a digital clone. Now imagine you need to create a 60 minutes long training course. Usually your energy would dip by 45 minutes, so your voice would get raspy, but your digital twin doesn't get tired. Whether it's a 2 minutes YouTube short or 1 hour keynote, the performance stays 100% consistent from start to finish, and this is the ultimate leverage for entrepreneurs. In terms of cost, HeyGen offers a variety of tiers. You can start for free to test the waters. You can create your digital clone in the free plan. You can create up to like 3 videos per month, and you get all of these features in free plan. You can explore their creator plan for as little as 18 pounds or maybe like $24, and the pro plan for as little as like 31 pounds. And if you want to generate content on scale, you can explore this business plan as well, which you can use for as little as 89 pounds per month. It is a fraction of what you would spend on camera crew and on an editor. So are you making the mistake of spending like 10 hours a week in production when you could be spending like 15 seconds? So if you want to stay ahead of the curve in AI content creation, so I think you can just go ahead, just try HeyGen and create a clone of yourself, try different looks, try yourself in different outfits, in different lighting settings, and try creating something interesting. HeyGen's avatar feature is just a tool. How you use it to tell your story is what actually matters. The tech is ready, but the question is, are you? So don't forget to check out the link in description, and if you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.